Hi, wonderful parents! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring baby massage techniques to help soothe your fussy baby and promote relaxation. Let's get into it. Baby massage is a wonderful way to bond with your baby while providing numerous benefits, including relaxation, improved sleep, and relief from colic. Here's an in-depth guide to help you master gentle massage techniques that can soothe and comfort your fussy baby. Benefits of baby massage. Before diving into the techniques, let's explore why baby massage is beneficial. 1. Relaxation. Helps calm your baby and reduce stress. 2. Sleep. Promotes better sleep by relaxing the baby's muscles. 3. Bonding. Enhances the emotional connection between you and your baby. 4. Circulation. Improves blood circulation and muscle tone. 5. Digestion. Can help alleviate gas and colic by aiding digestion. Preparation for baby massage. 1. Choose a quiet time. Pick a time when your baby is calm and alert, not immediately after feeding, or when they are too hungry or tired. 2. Warm environment. Ensure the room is warm and free from drafts. You want your baby to feel comfortable and relaxed. 3. Use a soft surface. Lay your baby on a soft, safe surface such as a changing table or a bed covered with a towel or blanket. 4. Select a suitable oil. Use a baby-safe oil, such as coconut oil, olive oil, or a commercial baby massage oil. 4. Test a small amount on your baby's skin to ensure there's no allergic reaction. 5. Wash your hands. Clean your hands thoroughly and remove any jewelry that might scratch your baby. Step-by-step baby massage techniques. 1. Leg massage. Start with the legs. Begin with gentle strokes from the thigh to the ankle. Wrap your hands around the leg and use a milking motion, moving downwards. Repeat this several times. Foot massage. Use your thumbs to gently press and rub the soles of your baby's feet. Massage each toe individually with a gentle circular motion. 2. Tummy massage. Clockwise strokes. Place your hand flat on your baby's tummy and gently make clockwise circular motions. This helps with digestion and can relieve gas. I love you technique. Using 2 fingers, trace the letter I down the left side of your baby's tummy. Then, trace an upside-down L across the top of the tummy and down the right side. Finally, trace an upside-down U from the lower right to the lower left of the tummy. 3. Arm massage. Gentle strokes. Use the same milking motion as with the legs, moving from the shoulder to the wrist. Repeat on both arms. Hand massage. Gently massage your baby's palms with your thumbs and lightly squeeze each finger. 4. Chest massage. Cross your heart strokes. Place both hands in the center of your baby's chest. Gently move them outwards in a heart shape, stroking from the center to the shoulders. Butterfly strokes. Using both hands, start at the center of the chest and move outwards to the sides in a fluttering motion, like a butterfly's wings. 5. Back massage. Back strokes. Place your baby on their tummy. Use long, gentle strokes from the neck to the buttocks. Be gentle and use light pressure. Circular strokes. Using your fingertips, make small circles along the spine and around the shoulder blades. 6. Face massage. Forehead to chin. Using your thumbs, gently stroke from the center of the forehead outwards. Move down to the cheeks, then gently stroke from the nose to the ears. Jaw and mouth. Use circular motions around the jawline and gently massage the area around the mouth, which can be soothing, especially during teething. Tips for a successful baby massage. 1. Follow baby's cues. Pay attention to your baby's responses. If they seem uncomfortable or start to cry, stop the massage and try again later. 2. Maintain eye contact. Engage with your baby by maintaining eye contact and talking or singing softly to them. 3. Be gentle. Always use gentle, soft touches. Babies have sensitive skin and delicate bodies. 4. Create a routine. Incorporate massage into your daily routine, perhaps after a bath or before bedtime, to help your baby relax and prepare for sleep. When to avoid baby massage. 1. After feeding. Avoid massaging immediately after feeding to prevent discomfort or spitting up. 2. If baby is sick. If your baby is unwell or has a fever, it's best to skip the massage. 3. Skin issues. Avoid massaging areas with rashes, wounds, or irritations. Conclusion. Baby massage is a wonderful way to soothe and bond with your baby, providing both physical and emotional benefits. By following these detailed techniques and tips, you can create a relaxing and enjoyable experience for both you and your baby. Thanks for watching. I hope these baby massage tips help you and your little one find some calm and relaxation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more parenting tips. See you next time, and happy massaging!